or slow down the way that they did years ago. But the issue is that increasingly the internet has been centralized around just a few of these services, with many, many of the biggest all depending on companies. And so even if there's just an accidental
Why is there so much time between trains?
So now it's a full count. 3 and 2. Carroll at third, Bell at second. 2 down. 3-2 pitch. Inside. The second walk of the inning. The replay challenge, by the way, was sponsored by Hudson Family Dealerships. Car shopping driven by you.
Absolute loyalty and unconditional support for Maduro, which has been a big question post-election about what the armed forces would do and would they back the government, and that was clear. And people giving $1.3 million over 4 hours.
The other side has a base that no matter what, they are always riding for theirs. They are counting on us to not have a base that comes out and shows up for this system.
Since Kamala Harris got into the presidential race, calls aimed at Black, white, and Asian American women were organized to quickly amass money and volunteers for her abbreviated campaign. But alongside that, something interesting happened. Groups popped up explicitly to organize. Besides Win with Black Men, there's Men for Harris, White Dudes for Harris, and Dads for Kamala. Often, gender-specific organizing is aimed at women. Think Moms Demand Action or Moms for Liberty. But
because Harris is a woman, her...
I know, baby. or some sort of a legacy kind of a thing, but you know, the reality is that, you know, we are in a life right now, and this is the life that we have, and as I said in the book, and my dad always used to say, no one gets out alive. So, you know, and every day that we have, and again, I say this not in a macabre or negative way, you know, we cherish the value of every single day. Every day that we have is one less day to left, so we've got to really make those days count. And